guys, I just got back from vacation and we did a little shopping. But yeah, welcome to my channel. My name is KC Artist, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Subscribe button, be a part of this family, be a part of this tribe. We talk all things celebrity fashion, and a little bit of, you know, personal content as well. But yeah, to all my subbies, thank y'all so much for rocking with your kid. Period. Ow. Okay, so I want to get right into this video. I just got back from a much needed little mini getaway to Destin from Destin, Florida. We went to Destin, Florida. It was absolutely beautiful. I will do a vlog on my couples channel. So if you're not following that couple channel, follow it now, because that mini vlog will come up on there, on the shorts over there. But anyways, so I just wanted to do a little mini haul of the things that I bought. My wife was spoiling me for this trip. She was like, honey, I'm gonna book. I picked the destination, but she was like, I'm booking the hotel. I'm giving us there. You don't gotta drive. I don't ever drive. I am the forever passenger seat princess. But she was like, you don't gotta pay for anything, nothing. I got you. And I was like, okay, I like that. I like that. But usually I'm the one that's booking the trip, right? You know, and I'm always planning everything. So she did her big one with this, and it was everything and then some. And I feel, oh, it was so good. We didn't want to leave, so we just got back. Anyways, not too long ago, she's at work. She had to go to work. Thankfully, I'm off today. But anyways, let's start with this. So I'm going to start with what I bought myself, because when we went into the Coach store, I love Coach. I'm a Coach girly. I will always love Coach, okay? I love that their bags are, it's if you know, you know, okay? It's still luxury, and it's affordable luxury at that, and it's real leather. Okay, if you know, you know. So I'm always going to be a Coach girly. So we went to the outlet. There was an outlet, a premium outlet out in Destin, Florida. And I was struggling between two bags. And I wanted, like, for the summertime, the spring and the summertime, I wanted a light bag. And I was struggling for both. Now, they had the tabby there. And at first, I was like, oh, I'm going to get a discount. You know what I'm saying? Because it's in the outlet. No, they was like, I think not. Well, why are you there? Why you got the tabby in the outlet if you're not giving outlet prices? Because I could just get it online. But I digress. I wanted the outlet prices. So I went, you know, I was like, later. I'll get you later. But I went and I was struggling between two. I called my sister. My sister was like, oh, she liked one bag. And my wife was like, oh, I like the other bag. And I do still very much like both bags. So I went with the one that my wife and my sister really, really liked. And then I just had buyer's remorse instantly when we got in the car. I left, and I was just like, I'm gonna go back. And she was like, well, let's go back and get it. You know, I was like, she's like, I'll take you back tomorrow, the next day. And I was just like, okay, cool. And I was like, well, let me just buy it for myself. So I did buy it for myself because she already poured so much into me in this trip. I was like, I'll buy it myself. I get it myself. She did take me. So this bag is super cute. I'm such a huge fan of small bags, okay? And this, look at it. The craftsmanship, love. Coach will never fail. Will never fail me, all right? And it is a crossbody. You can wear it as a crossbody as well. So look, let's show you how it fits on me. Oh, this is perfect. This is tea. This is tea, honey. Love it. It's the Rowan bag. Original price is $270, but it was on sale, I believe for $179. There, but love it. And I like the inside. It's tan on the inside. And it's just perfect. You can fit your phone in there. Can you do a bottle of water? No, you can't do a bottle of water. But trust me, it's perfect for me. I have a little wallet clutch I could put in here. Phone, keys. This is the perfect size. and I love it. I love this style of bag. I have Louis Vuitton. I have the Speedy. It's a bigger size. Um, and the demier. No, I have the monogram. I have monogram, regular monogram for the Louis Vuitton Speedy. So I love this size. Perfect. This is definitely my daytime go-to bag. Ooh, I'm gonna probably link it. If I can link it, I'll link it if this is your vibe. And it came with multiple colors. I wanted the black, but they were sold out for the black. But I don't mind this color as well. So I'm really happy with that. So let's go to the one that my wife got me. Now, my wife got me this little cutie. Kept it in the white theme, white color. Well, off-white, I should say. Look how cute this bag is. Now, not only is this, comes with the strap, where it can be a crossbody as well, but it also comes with a chain. And the strap, you can take off the straps, right? You can take off either straps, right? But look how cute. Look at the quality, the craftsmanship. This is a thick chain. I love this. It is a magnetic snap inside. Comes with a little pocket as well. This was $270 as well. No, I'm sorry, $225. I'm giving y'all Canada prices. So $225 for both of these bags. But I think this was on sale for $179, I believe, too, as well. Don't quote me. I'll write it down if I remember it. But this is so cute. Same with the tan interior inside. But I love this. This is definitely like a date night bag for me. But let's see how it lays too. It lays good. It's good at the hip, at the waist, depending on how tall you are. I'm 5'8", so I'm pretty tall. So I love this bag. So cute. Ooh, yes. And then I was trying to see if it does it drawstring? Like, oh, these are the C's. Look at the ball. The C's. Oh, look how cute, Gaggy! Yes, I just noticed that. This is super cute. So this is the one that my sister and my wife really, really liked the most. And I still really do like this bag. My best friend loved this one the most. So really two cute bags. Same color, wave. And I just like, even though it's the same colorways, I do like the different types of leather material. So yes, cute. But you know, my wife actually did a little shopping herself at Coach. So I'm gonna show you what she got. So she loves backpacks. So she got this backpack right here. Look how cute this backpack is. Ooh, the quality, like the back of it. And inside, we didn't even go inside, but it's stuffed. Hold on. Wait, oh, so there's multiple compartments. So there's like a little back compartment. Oh, okay. I like that even more. There's a back compartment. There's a front compartment. And then there's a tiny bottom compartment. I didn't even realize that. So there's a lot of compartments to this backpack. So this is definitely good for like traveling. This is Fly. This is Fly for sure. I like it. So this retailed for $350. I can't remember how much it was for on sale for at the outlet, but really, really cute. Then we went to the shoe. We went to the rack room shoe, and I've been wanting, which is so crazy, for years. I've been wanting some Birkenstocks. Don't know why it took me forever to get them. I think I know. For shoes, I don't really like spending a lot of money on shoes, even though I have a lot of shoes. Like, so it's rare for me to spend like a lot of money on like shoes, like, cause I could go somewhere like, I'm a Nordstrom Rack girl, you know, and get it for hella cheap, hella affordable, and that's what I do. So for like, I couldn't see myself, you know, spend you know, that much money for Birkenstocks. I think that's why I did it. But my wife was like, you've been wanting Birkenstocks? I'm going to get you Birkenstocks. So, period. So, I got just the standard color, standard wave Birkenstock. I'm a size 8. So, that is 39 for all you size 8 girlies. I'm going to try this on and put a clip in this video so y'all can see how it is. But I'm true to size 8, so this fit me perfectly. Y'all see, like I have enough room. It's like this, my toe weight over the top and my heel and the back. It literally fits. I'm a true size 8, and I love this. And it was really comfortable. It felt so good, so I can't wait to rock these. So I'm definitely gonna link this if you are a Birkenstock girl, because these are the truth. So I'm like, what took me so long? Okay, so I'm glad that I got that. Also, I got some Nike socks. I'm a huge Nike sock fanatic, and I've been wanting like the colorful ones because usually I just get white or black. So when I saw these, this color wave, come on. Like, I love this color wave. This is cute. But you know what? I heard that the girlies be dyeing them themselves. Like, you can just get white and dye them yourselves. But also this bright colors. And at first I was like to my wife, I was like, which one should I get? Should I get them both? Because she be rocking my Nike socks. My wife is actually a sock fanatic, but she likes like character socks. You know what I'm saying? So she be taking all of my socks. So no wonder she said get them both, because she was thinking about herself too. I don't know if I find them on this here YouTube shop. I will link them and see. You know, not sure if I'll find them, but they're super, super cute. And good for, like I said, for spring and summertime. But yeah, that was my haul. That was really quick. That's all that I got. And I cannot wait to, like, I'm so glad that I went back to get this, because when I tell you, when something's on my mind and something stays on my mind, I'm like, yeah, I gotta go back. I gotta go. I literally, first thing we did, we woke up in the morning. Well, we went to breakfast, and then right after breakfast, we went back to the store, and I got this. But super, super cute. And yeah, which one y'all like best? But this is my little haul, my little mini shopping haul. If you made it to all the way to this end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like, comment, and share this video, and subscribe if you haven't. If I'm your vibe, if you vibing with me, subscribe. But until next time, deuces.